She's got some dorsiflexion and some plantar flexion ability, and we just got to kind of enhance it for her. How does she need to use it a little better? And so I chose to use ReWalk Restore, which is the device that assists plantar flexion and dorsiflexion dynamically. It also allowed us to train without her ankle brace, which is something we couldn't have done without this type of device. This is her very, very early on in her training sessions. And really, she didn't like to stand on her right leg and use the plantar flexion force. So we had to have her cue her to say, hey, take a longer step on your left side, to be able for her to use the plantar flexion force, because she just wasn't using it naturally. And as she started to, and actually started to use the device and use the assistance, the intensity started to ramp up quite a bit. And so the speed started to increase, whether it be on the treadmill or over ground. So from an objective perspective, and I think this is interesting, she was fairly functional, you'd say, right? She's walking at 0.89 meters per second without her ankle brace from a self-selective velocity perspective, and fast, when you ask her to walk fast without her brace, she's at about 1.15. After 9 sessions of training, she had an increase of about 0.33. That's pretty incredible. Right, yeah. And even higher for the fast velocity, which, if you think about our sessions, they were really targeted at fast velocity. So it was like a change of 0.66, I think, for the fast velocity, which our sessions were all as fast as she could do while also maintaining good kinematics. So for her, I think it's really, I hope this example might illustrate how this type of device, like ReWalk, can facilitate increased not only dosage, but also intensity. You can integrate the CPG action statements of that moderate to high intensity gait training, and also using the exoskeleton to really facilitate addressing improving her movement quality while also getting high dosage and also decreasing her impairments. And I think that's kind of like a dichotomy in PT, is that you can't decrease impairments and really focus on movement quality while also still getting high intensity and dosage. And I think this is a potential avenue to actually achieve that successfully.
This has been a highlighted clip from ReWalk's Topics in Neurorehabilitation web series. To watch the full episode, please go to the ReWalk Robotics YouTube page or visit the link in the comments below. See you next time.